For a smooth and controlled ride, classy, friendly interior, and spacious, comfortable seating, nothing compares to the 2021 Ford Explorer here at Royal Oak Ford. The 2021 Explorer is hoping to make its way into your driveway. With a turbocharged V6 engine, intelligent all-wheel drive, and 20-inch aluminum wheels. With impressive leather seating, heated steering wheel, and spacious third-row seating capacity, an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and 5-star safety and driving assistance features. So come take a test drive with me, Heather Miller, and the 2021 Ford Explorer here at Royal Oak Ford.